one beautiful morning of our club officers training when I first met Director Ann. My heart leaped with joy as she flashed a beautiful smile to welcome all of us who just stepped into the training room. On that very day, I felt the energy inside her, the enthusiasm, the passion of a Toastmaster's heart. Later that evening, it was a turnover ceremony from the immediate past division director, distinguished Toastmaster Dolly de los Reyes, to the division director Ann. On that night, she presented her plans, her programs, her activities for the year. I was so impressed on how she shared her data, and she showed us percentages, several graphs to reach to her goals, to reach to what she envisions of what Division H would become. And I said to myself, this is a leader with a vision, a leader whose heart is full of commitment to serve the members. After her presentation, I approached and congratulated her. And I said, good luck to these beautiful plans and programs and these activities. It will really make a great feed on that particular moment and that portion. Fast forward, Director Ann placed Division H together with her team on the map of District 75. She garnered as one of the top division directors throughout the district. Kudos, Director Ann. But with all the challenges, the awesome challenges that we faced, that you faced, but the burning desire for you that you tells you to go on, to march on, to move forward. With that, your journey as a division director has brought forth inspiration to fellow Toastmasters, to our leaders, and to those who wish to follow your footsteps. The feat you have reached have come to fruition, and at this very moment, I would gladly give you a thunderous applause.
I congratulate you, and I look forward to seeing you very soon. Congratulations, Division Director Ann, for a job well done. With you and your team, kudos to you guys.
So honored to be part of your year, the whole year. And sana, one day we would be able to take that coffee break we've planned a long time ago. God bless you, dear Anne, and God bless your family. Do keep in touch. And from Division A, this is their dad, Banji Pascual, saying, I love you more.
You've done a splendid job, and allow me to also thank you for being a very nice sister to me and for always being there to support my area.
Hey there, and thank you very much for the leadership that you've shown during your term. You know what? You've inspired a whole lot of clubs to become leaders, and thank you from the bottom of our heart.
Three reasons for the sausage. 1, Anne, you're always fully dressed because of your smile. 2, the song came from the musical Annie, and Annie's name and disposition are very close to yours. And 3, it was a hard knock turn for us. And when I'm stuck with a date that's gray for Area 72, I stick out my chin and grin and say, I can count on you to help me power through.
Hello, Didi Ann. Thank you for the gift of time. Thank you for the gift of friendship. Thank you for the gift of leadership.
I have enjoyed the number of times that we journeyed together visiting the clubs under Area 73. I wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Love you.
You have given us permission to be more than who we are. Thank you for being that leader who inspires us. Relentless, unstoppable, unflinching.
Hello, Director Ann. Thank you for leading Division H. Indeed, you are an example of a model, leader, and a true Toastmaster.
Hi, Princess Leah Ann. I was just telling my friend Chewy here what an amazing job you did as Division Director for the term 2019-2020. And I would also like to tell you how much I appreciate all the efforts you put in, especially at the Speakers Summit. Thank you for that. The opportunity you gave me there as a resource speaker was truly memorable. Well, until then, Princess Leia Ann, I'll see you around.
You have been a sister, close friend to Division H. Thank you for the leadership and the loving heart that you put in Division H.
When you asked me to be one of the hosts on the induction of officers. And my only option was to say yes because of your influence. And thank God I did, because that event became the best memory that I have in my entire Toastmasters membership.
And before you end your stint as Division H Director, I would like to personally thank you for all your support and help for the clubs and the areas. To challenge yourself in your post-DD life, consider joining Division H contests, evaluation, humorous, prepared speech, table topics. Consider all of them. Maraming salamat, Ann.
Thank you,
Didian.
Didian.
Thank you, Didian.
Thank you, Ann.
Hi, Mami. Congrats nga pala on your achievements sa Toastmasters. I hope you keep doing what you're doing because I know what you do makes you happy. So even though we may not spend as much time na together kasi busy ka sa Toastmasters. I'm still glad you're able to find something that makes you happy. And I'm very proud, I'm very proud to have a hardworking mom like you. And I hope you keep doing what makes you happy. So, sorry kung ang mema lang ng message na to because I'm not really good at this stuff. Pero, nevertheless, I'm still happy for the community you like being devoted to. So, yun. I love you, God bless, and may more blessed days come to you in your Toastmasters journey.